Hello everyone, welcome to the another episode of my channel Talking Tom. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about all you need to know about vaccines. What are vaccines, how they are made, what are present in the vaccine and time taken to make a vaccine. So first, let's talk about what are vaccines. Vaccines are something like mock exams. Before you write your board exam, you have to first appear for the pre-board exams. Pre-board exams prepare you well for the real board exams. Vaccines are just like this pre-boards exam. What happens is that when a virus enters your body to infect it, actually, not a virus. Here I would like to use a word called pathogen. Pathogen includes everything: virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and all the disease causing microbes. So when a pathogen enters your body to infect it or to attack your body, our immune system responds. Our immune system has three main jobs. The first job of our immune system is to detect the pathogen, whether the pathogen is a virus, bacteria, or fungi, or you can say protozoa. The second job of our immune system is to remove that pathogen from our body and wage a war against them. This is done by the white blood cells within our body. White blood cells are considered as the personal army of our body. They fight against the pathogen and remove it from our body. And when this happens, our body shows symptoms like fever, cough, cold. All this shows that the white blood cells are fighting against the pathogen. White blood cells release antibody against the pathogen in order to do so. The third main job of our immune system is to memorize. That is to remember how to react or fight against a particular pathogen, so that when pathogen actually enters our body is already prepared to fight against it. Now you could ask, what is present inside this vaccine that it prepares our body to fight against a pathogen? The answer to this is quite simple. Very often the pathogen itself is present in the vaccine. In some vaccines, the pathogen are killed and its dead body is present in the vaccine. Sometimes the pathogen are weakened and that weakened pathogen are present in the vaccine. Sometimes the pathogen are cut into fragments and some parts of that fragments are present in the vaccine. So there are various kinds of vaccines and each vaccine have their own pros and cons. First, if a vaccine is developed by weakening the pathogen without killing it, such types of vaccine are called live attenuated vaccine. These types of vaccine are used against the disease like smallpox and chickenpox. The advantage of this vaccine is that it is very strong and it provides a long-lasting immunity. But its disadvantages are that it takes a lot of time to prepare these types of vaccine. Second, if a vaccine is prepared by killing the pathogen and using its dead body, such types of vaccine are called inactivated vaccine. These types of vaccine are used against disease like flu, polio, rabies, and many more. The disadvantages of these vaccines is that it does not provide a very strong and long-lasting immunity, and you have to repeat these types of vaccine over a certain period of time. Third, if a vaccine makes use of different fragments of the pathogen, such types of vaccine are known as subunit vaccine. This types of vaccine is used against hepatitis B and HBV virus. Now, these three are the general category of vaccine. There are even many more vaccine. I am just trying to provide you a general view of different types of vaccine. Now, how much time is required to prepare a vaccine? The answer to this it normally takes 10 years to prepare a vaccine. Yes, you heard it right. It takes 10 years to prepare a vaccine. But here I want to add one thing is that the speed by which the scientists are working to prepare a COVID-19 vaccine, experts says that it might be ready within 1.5 years. The fastest vaccine which has been developed till now is of mumps, and it took around 5 years to develop that vaccine. On the other hand, there is an HIV vaccine which has not been developed till now. It is being predicted that it would be ready by the year 2030. There are three main stages in the preparation of vaccine. First one is research stage, where the scientists research to find out what type of vaccine they should develop, whether it should be a live attenuated vaccine or a subunit vaccine or an inactivated vaccine, whether the vaccine is safe or not. All the research is being done on research stage. The second stage in preparation of vaccine is testing stage. In this stage, the vaccine is tested to see its effectiveness and safety. In testing stage also, there are various trials. First one is preclinical trials. In this, a vaccine is tested on the cell within a laboratory or on an animal first to see its effectiveness and safety, whether it is safe or not. In clinical trials, it is tested on human. In clinical trials also, there are 4 different phases. In phase 1, the vaccine is tested on few people to see its effectiveness. In phase 2, the vaccine is tested on few hundred people to see the intensity of vaccine against the pathogen. In phase 3, the vaccine is tested upon thousands of people to see the effectiveness of vaccine on a large scale. In phase 4, the vaccine is sent for an approval and then a government will issue a license to a particular company to develop that vaccine and manufacturing it. Third stage for the preparation of vaccine is known as manufacturing stage. In this stage, after getting approval from the government, the factory needs to produce the vaccine on a large scale and deliver it to the people as soon as possible. Now this stage is also not easy because a lot of capital is required to produce the vaccine on a large scale and set up a factory, and procedures are different for the different types of vaccines. I hope you find this video very informative, and if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to get all the notifications of my video. And if you want to give me some suggestion, you can write your suggestions in the comment box below, and continue to shower your blessings on me. Thank you. See you in the next episode of the Talking Tom. Stay healthy, stay home, stay safe.